Coming in on Sun Pharma. Remember, you heard it first on CNBC TV18 last week on Friday that the US FDA has recorded 11 observations for the Dadra unit of Sun Pharma. And now the FDA finds incomplete lab records as well. Vikas Dandekar, who had broken that story, joins in now. Vikas, looks like this is an ongoing problem for Sun Pharma, something that has been plaguing the stock for a while.
Absolutely. We did report this about 11 observations. We did not have a very clear clue about what those observations are. From the news that we are getting now, it appears there have been issues with records and a couple of other very regular observations like out of specification, products and all. So those look like not very difficult to handle. But we have to understand exactly what those manufacturing records are about. It could mean serious, or it might just be a regular case of presenting more supplementary data, for future kind of investigations for the FDA. Once we have some details about what those 11 observations are, we will be able to, some of them do pertain to lab records. So on full study, we can actually understand whether it will escalate to something more like a warning letter or probably can be resolved all by correspondence.
Okay, it does say incomplete lab records, not investigating properly batches that did not come up to specifications. Those seem to be the main negatives, Vikas. It doesn't look like a warning letter material.
It's a little subjective because, in certain cases we have seen that, when the FDA corresponds, it gives some flexibility to the companies. And in some other cases, we have seen that they do really insist on a lot of overhaul, which probably also requires additional inspections. So it's very difficult to really conclude with before we see what those observations are. There are many points below each observation.
Okay.
So once we know exactly how serious are those issues, we will be able to say exactly what it will be.
Okay. All right, Vikas, you got us the news.